that I vehemently challenge and deny the capacity of the applicant, Ernestina Fusu, aka Akosua Brempongma, who has held herself out or claimed to be the customary successor of the late Charles Kojo Fusu for this application. Or say, or sanso a challenge papa na o deny the capacity of Mame Ernestina Fusu, aya Mama Ernestina Fusu, wabone mrane wa hase frana Akosua Brempongma no. O chiremu a or the akoto court nanim se one na edi that Lumba de na o challenge sa de no sa deny sa capacity no say enti sa se Mame Akosua Brempongma na edi opanyi Charles Kojo Fusu ade said the mame no de abeto court nanim no. That under the customary law of the Akan people, particularly the Akona royal family of Abusuapanin Tupac, a customary successor is solely identified and chosen by the male principal elders of the family in consultation with the children of the deceased and declared by the head of the family at a formal family meeting if the deceased is a male. Or say, said ye Akan amanye enemra no echre no under the Akan customary law no echre ni pefe ntitiru eya akanfo na ni titiru ekona royal family no so eya akanfo said omu sie no nie ekoba se obi etsoa nananom e wonse do a na nipa no kra eye bema abusua no ehwe emu mpanyimfo no ehwe na wo mu nyina no ne mma ene abusua no mu mpanyimfo ahia na yi obi a obedi na ade na kyerese no mbeye meeting kese meeting ni mu no na nipa na abusua ni yi no na de oye abusuapanin no wananso se enipa so mesisei na oye abusua panyin nti wono na ejina mu wo meeting ni mu ananso enipa a odi de wawu no ade ahasa no wo kyere. That I state categorically that as the Abusuapanin, I have never convened any such meeting, nor have the principal male elders of the Akona royal family of Abusuapanin Tupac, in consultation with the children of the deceased, ever identified, selected, appointed, or chosen anyone, including the said Ernestina Fusu, aka Akosua Brempongma, as the customary successor of the deceased. Or say, wasanso jina hanu wakansi ni dua people echiremu a se wo ye ekwo na Abusuapanin no wo mu anya meeting bi etesa meeting na no waka ho asem se sa akwan ne fa so eyi diadeni no meeting bi asa anko so de to so biem principal elders eye ekwo na Abusuan mu mpanyimfo so wo mu hia anya meeting bi etesa akora sanso na enkwada ma ewo mu so no enkomode bia ne meeting saa bia enko so enti won kai wo ba bia se wo mo a select anaso o ma point and o ma choose Mame Ernestina Fusu Akosua Brempongma se onye oni ninua Charles Kojo Fusu ade bibia sa enkoso. That I am advised and verily believe same to be true that until a customary successor is duly appointed, the Akona royal family led by Abusuapanin Kofi Owusu has the direct and substantial customary interest as a customary successor in transit, holding in trust the estates of the deceased until customary successor is duly appointed and announced for the purposes of participation in administration and distribution of the deceased estate under the interstate succession law of Ghana. Watch remember so that bia nyina yesua do say that I am advised and verily believed same to be true that until a customary successor is duly appointed. Menya futuo ene gidi a kire se me gidi setesa se kopem bra ye bayi obi so no ene edi nipa na wawu na de no. The Akona royal family led by Abusuapanin Kofi Owusu has the direct and substantial customary interest as the customary successor in transit, holding in trust the estate of the deceased until customary successor is duly appointed and announced for the purposes for the purposes and participation, for the purposes of participation in administration and distribution of the deceased estate under the interstate succession law, or say the mechanic tinting in an opposite say, or Gidie Sanso Anna yet 24 now, or Gidie Sasanity. Sakopem say, ye bay you will be so near the Adinino. A corner royal family or no, Abusuapanin no. Actually, say, what interest? A brain a money to me, sir, or to me, the Adini in transit. Successor in transit. Actually, say, Obesha that Lumba estate, and in the near maso. Kopim bra, one bay will be. Say only a dear na onto talk niema under interstate succession law. That's the claim by false and unilateral misrepresentation calculated to deceive this honorable court into granting her administration control over the estates of the late Charles Kojofosu, which control she does not have in law and in custom. Or since Mijina way so said the medical court no say ora custom interstate succession law no a pefe say kopim se be di adini anasempo e be yi obi a wodi ade no me a me ya Abusuapanin no me wo interest pa wo to me wo say metumi aye diadini in transit opembra ye betumi ayi obi a ono be ye diadini enti wei mi gina so na me dia kire court ne say maami a ye frɛ no na fosu Akosua Brempongma no emremu no ani ntutuemu no onye successor onye diadini na de wabɛka no ya atoro papa a wabɛdaadaa ne ho de akire court no na wabɛka ne da asɛm de akire court na opesa court ni gini tum so me administrator ema estate no abra de wo kan nyina eye na da akra ene atro ene wotwa e de akire court no na pa akoso hene eba adade so aba subdivision no anim eye jase division e wo Kumasi traditional council no emu sade wo mo enhyehyeye omumra ene amane ene amamrese no ema obeda na di kire wo mo se ono ena ye wo Abusuapanin o se de pa akoso stool so wo hwemu a ewo eye sa dade so aba subdivision no a sesi e de panyina woda wo ma no eye baafo Kofi atobra otoso mienu. Further, the dade so aba subdivision is aware that Abusuapanin Kofi Owusu has also invoked the sacred oath in Tamkesie of Otumfo say to the second, the Asantehene, against the Nabua champion so by the third. The third chief of Pakoso regarding the chief legitimacy to the stool. Nana Boache Amponso Okofo by the third chief of Pakoso has not denied or challenged the sacred oath till date. Or say that there so about his subdivision so ya we pa woman ni meda woman nim owura Abusuapanin Kofi de entamkese egu nana pa akoso hene eso nana bo champion so Okofo ba otoso miensa na besi sa abre ya wo de krata e beda court yi nana no me challenge ene ono nso so a wo me ya hwe emfamfa ho o me deny ene o me challenge ye enti ebeti saabri o de krata ne ba court no saa ne tie ewo nana dade so abahene anim ene feko no a oye omopanyin no. More importantly, under settled Asante customary law and practice, when an invocation of the sacred oath of the Asantehene remains unchallenged or undenied and pertains in the present instance, Nana Boache Amponso Okofo by the third, the chief of Pakoso lacks the customary authority or jurisdiction to remove Abusuapanin Kofi Owusu as the head of the family of the Ekwana royal family of the Insuta pending the final determination of the issuing arising from the said invocation. Or say, into the wakan na efantam ne ho a de hia pa ne say ekobasa kan customary law no ene omo nhihye no so obi enso ede entam saa to nipa ne so a ebasa wo nipa na ede entam na to so no woni tumi bia e na pa akoso hene se obetumi akase bia watu eye Owura Tupac na sempo a wagene tumi bia firi nsem kopem bra ade no eda ho na ehwe se beko opanyi kase na entam ne ye ne bia no enim. Therefore Abusuapanin Kofi Owusu he remains the legitimate head of family for the Ekwana royal family of Pakoso and Insuta. Into was say, Ebasa dia naturally say Abusuapanin Kofi Owusu da so a eye Abusuapanin ewo Pakoso and afe Insuta royal family no pepepe ena baafo Kofi Atobra the second that so abahene just subdivision or no assign wa ha kama enti abusuafo eno so ewa ha ni nyina no wo mo ede akodan court no enti omanfo binum aduru mre bia na omo jo mo ho akinye efa ensem ye da ho ya ye ka ho asemi eho no madaroma baby ejina sesi mama Akosua sewa letters of administration medical ka cho say me di court nsam na chi pa me follow nsam ne pa chese baby ekobia ye di akire kakran bibia ni ho a ekwa madaroma ye mamu enhunu na ye nsuamu ade enti se de be ye ne ebesuamu ade ne ochina emu atemo bi ebebe bia obetumi ate ase ne ohunu baby ayegina no na chese nana Owura Tupac sesi ide odi caveat ne koye na affidavit of interest na odi koye no na chese ni nsam ni nyina so ni nyina no eye maame Akosua Brempongma na ahwe ni nsam no a wo kire se onye diadeni eninti court no enhwentu hwe ni nsam ahodo no kora okan no na chese wa anko mama Akosua sewa ne side kora na chese maame Brempongma asem na okan kire court no enunti maka cho so obi edi caveat ekokoto bibi so a ekira wo se twen me na me manum asam a me de ba manum asam a me de ba no enie enti na me ka kira mo se mumie ntwen na ye nhwe Owura Tupac na nyina ye nsua mu ade de nyina soa ene nanum asam ode kodan court no ende wakan ni de wati nyina onkonko challenge maame na ode na asam court no maame Akosua se wa se bia se ananse bia se na emum o kire se maame Brempongma na kire se wo hwe ne nsam a wo kan de a na esi abusuani nyidiadeni enti wono so ko azdiadeni enti waba ho a wo ba be kire se se nipa no eni kwan se court no etumi agine tu na afi otumi etoa so na yema ne tumi free se be o kan de na kire se court no hwehwem na bi etesa o pese o kire se wabebu court no o pese obu court no bukata kire se obebu afaso bibisa eno pese o kire enti moadaroma moamohwe de ekoidia decision ni nyina agina court wono na asema wono akoka de akire court no enti se de beye na wonso ubenya mu adesua wo kina de ekoso nyina no eboa na akiro bito se affidavit of interest kwa se ne kire se caveat kwa ti say enti so obi de go Owura Tupac affidavit of interest na baby a okan se otumi nya interest wom na no kwa onkan kire court no say enti wo pese obeye ko administrator ana so pese omra ye mfama no 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 mumu meche baby nti hwe ne nsam na wo keka aka no a ana so wa trotro wo kire sa court no ehwe nyema no a it's up to court no obeji atu ana se onyintu ba osidi adini ni wa okan osidi adini yenyanyi diadini according to akan customary law no diadini ni wa yetumi ono oye Abusuapanin no etumi eyi diadini eye diadini ko basa so a na kire se wo betumi benya interest ewo estate kronim na omo hwe ne machi ko pembra diadini beba
I don't think say maame Akosua say wa besumu bi se kuni despite atem onye maame minimo no but me the way about way no makeli na hunu no say wo ye be ma na wusia sa wo ba we bia wo mi to nyame so wo sika so ni sika da fom e ma sa na edu di ye wo abrabo mu ye kan kra kira wo Shama many video be I don't know now your airport. Na okita poly bag I near my womb. No be video ye. You should the way I'm for so comment section when I'm a ye maame na kom no say o maame bia nko nya pressure mu dadada yes obi e bold obi e brave betumi aka say maame no ye the poison ho asem o to ne so nyina was men kasa maame ya brave fitimre santene o lumba no anim se me kodi magro me kodi madua ne bone na me namfo poison me gas chenchira na yire na poison no wanka ho asem kopem na anu ya wo bewuo no claim am ndi nka beda no so saa it's all do maame na opem maame na asem wa akoma pem wa wo ho the best way the best thing today I declare this that say no case shema mi odobro ni say osusu se wo yeyere na japade no woni ni kru na ye ya obetumi ne evidence akọ so with the marriage certificate krana you have to find your friend say witness for and a witness wo kofa enkofo obi a wawu say ya ba ya wawu ya ba ya woni ho enkoyi ya ba ya as a witness because on to be mekasa ye be lusu Lumba wa busuafo Lumba wa busuafo isi akofa ya ba me unim hwe ma no dobru ni wo say no more evidence I make catch on me come case in kamaya mom there's no evidence matra one corner study adina no monam omo kasa na me tie na me hwehwem na me bisa me honsem me yes ni nyina na me nya abotre gada niema na me gada niema because I know say me ties me one day on say my cancer bu am say me e batra na me nya fa perfume na me di gume ho a oboa obre mi sika meka me bowdin ntim ko fa ya ba ya emwa e kwese asemi obi a o wa asemi obi a ineligible obi o wa asemi obi a ineligible we nwu a ya me yan twa pictures Wengua no pictures. Wengua no pictures. Hey. Say a strict strict in your church or the amount. Agent for terms. Agent for the yes adiano. Yamfanim kwajiska. Agent for Yamfanim kwajiska ni atamo. Ni kwajiska. Strict in your church or the amount. Mokwa can say. Ba obana nkasa ni kokojina sorry adakemua. Obepem. All 2 questions. Obepem. Obisa say ukuru be ya onwade no. Describe the way another word and ya. Like what the ukuru be ya onwade no. Ye person would describe word no. Net is another word and it say. Describe word and it say keke. Oh yes. That true group people so near their mom say ukwa act say azatana azafo nko an the case we echi elade elade akowari abako sta kwaji ye bibia ye de ma obiada a wo de kwa kwaji wo de kwa so ba na ni munyam ye video ni etwa na dansini mbrama kasamwa ose sabio Lumba amprama o ma ntwa picture one ne yene nkwa ne twa picture asama mu kai penti nyanse wo mu wai sabia dansini be ne wo mu ye Lumba asini ya yesi efro bi ya ba ya na ya ba ya no wawu ya ba ya ewu ya ba ya ewu mahumfo so masabi nipa wanya yire ma ya yire ye nyina ne ye wo yire ba ya fatie ni ma afoforo wo ye doesn't mean so omo ye yire omo nya yire tienie pa me metuwe me ware but me yire ti no me safetie no oba afoforo wo ye anu ne tire so oba no wo kuma asem se bene ne wo no wo ye yire. We have a lot of baby mamas. Pamimfa kofinti nyamfato ho. Kofinsia Afumahame former MPP chairman awonya ne baby koye ache enye almost 20 more than 20 years. Papa na ne yirum yesa wan nanim kofinti. Wan nanim kofinti. Momodu wana asem yankwala. No ye MPP chairman no wutika onye timi to creators makoma ko 12 ogina na nam ne ba ko to no so ogusika tieliye pa no wusika pa kofinti fa ne ire ti wo akire bebre uba na obeklemo japade e dia ma uba sabe mamenka asem ngire mo nipa na wo claim title